we'll have to move those down and get to that.
What that is.
There's that's the good one.
Wow, what is that?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we had got home and looked in the one box of cards, and then, wow, all I could say is wow. I couldn't rest. We had to come here and we had to go through some more stuff in this unit, period. And here we are. We paid $900 for this crazy unit. Can't very well see. You can't very well see when you're on the live video. It's hard to see. Remember Campbell, right away the manager said, yeah, the owner said that there was a card collection in there, and I took that one box home. That was amazing, and we're gonna start going through the rest of this $900 storage and get some of it out of the way. Lisa, look what we got. I don't know. This looks like books and personal stuff. You never know though when you start seeing good stuff like it was in that. I didn't see nothing in the other. Who needed these?
SP.
SP needed those.
Can you make sure they're in there?
And that's what you're looking for. That's the yes, these definitely look. Shouldn't have made her day. So yeah, random sports cards already strewn about in a personal paperwork box, box number 2. Demo reels. That one had me intrigued too. I've been thinking about this since I left here. Because what is a demo reel? Somebody was in like a band or something? Look at that. This intrigues me. Take 1. So a demo reel is only going to be something for like a TV show, or they did a movie, they did a pilot. These, Casey. Brian Berkland production, romanticism, the literary movement, an English project, cooperation. So some type of school thing he was doing maybe. Okay, I can dig that. Do we have anything else up here other than curtains? Come down here and you see estimated payments, pay stubs. I don't think we need to see in there, what do you think?
Nah.
No.
Let's go to the next box.
This is important stuff to him though. Come on, let's see another good box. Let's see something. Let's see something we paid $900 for. Shipping carton. Here it is here. He made a movie. The Wolverines, they were a halftime show. I don't know. What is that? This is weird. So that's the person right there. Shout out to them. Maybe they were in. Maybe they made movies for people. Were they like a producer? That's weird, right?
That one says cards on the floor right there.
I know. That's what you see. What you do is you keep pointing at that, and then you be like, "Oh, we're gonna get to this card box soon, guys. Stay tuned."
Yeah.
Now we're gonna go through this box and tease you, right? Huh? An editor. Maybe he can help me with my U. Any letters? They're kind of cute. They spell Hollywood. Okay. You want to see the card box?
Yeah. Just want to see something.
This one is most likely coming home with us. Oh boy. What do we have here? Let's see. This one says CC Series 97-98. I have no idea what that is. Oh. Upper Deck Collector's Choice. It's probably a set. This one's light. It's got junk cards in it. Okay, not as exciting. Come on.
Is that Kobe?
That is Kobe Bryant right there.
That's probably going to be a lot of money. Nice.
Look at that, David Robinson, Antoine.
Kobe.
Oh yeah, Michael Jordan. Marcus Crombie, Kobe Bryant, Magic First Jordan. You always know they're gonna have good cards when they're in the plastic, usually. Michael Jordan. Oh, this is chilling. Kobe Bryant. Look at that. Is that a rookie? No. Michael Jordan. Ray Allen. We don't say his name, do we?
That is his rookie. Kobe's rookie card.
That could be money right there.
Right?
That could be money.
R.I.P. Kobe.
Wow. Michael Jordan. These are some cool cards. I'm really excited. Look at that. Another Kobe Bryant. Does that say rookie too? It does, doesn't it?
Original. Hold on. Oh no. Official Skybox Rookies 96-97.
Wow. And another one.
Sorry.
These could be very valuable.
Oh, with my reflection. That's cool. Okay. Put the next one.
That's nice.
Alright, cool. So this is coming home. What else we got in here?
My back is hurting. I don't know why, but it is all of a sudden hurting.
That's coming home.
What?
This
whole
is coming
box?
home. Yeah. I'm not leaving this here.
Come on. There's no telling. It's just that set.
Football.
There's a lot of different cards.
Should we just take it home and finish? We only have 30% battery on the GoPro.
Okay.
This will be continued, right?
Well,
Like to be continued?
the rest of this box.
Yeah.
I just do it later. What does the person keep doing this?
6 cups.
That's like, yeah, wow. Okay. Thank you, guy. Plastic poker chip holders. That's exactly what it is. It's a whole box. Do you give these away? Give these as gifts. Everybody gets a plastic.
Is that what all of those are? Every single box is plastic poker chips?
No, this one says
DVD.
DVD, but look. Oh. What? Another box of cards.
Shit, we can't leave these in here.
No, we'll have to move those down and get to that.
What that is.
Oh, wait a minute. Come on, money. Oh, that could have been nice. No, it's got a metal cord in there. Oh, yes, let's see this. Every little box intrigues me, so it's weird. Look,
Same. Yeah. Computer parts stuff.
it's a nice pen. Yeah. Nope, it is a nice pen.
What are those?
Checks.
Yeah.
Before the business went belly up.
Apparently so.
This one can go here. This is what the software. This right here. I think it's the good ones. The good one. Okay, it's the collecting. It's the things. We need these though. This is empty. Not good. Oh, it's empty. It's
All of
empty. Okay. Some football. Newer football. It's okay. Not bad. I still have to take this with us though. There's that's the good ones.
Wow. What is
That's
that? With the stickers on them.
Those are should be good cards. This should be the good ones. Let's see. You want to see one?
Yeah. Nice.
Ooh. What is that?
The stickers coming off.
I'm so scared because there's these crazy cards that I keep hearing about paninis, and what if we found one? What if we found like
What if
100,000?
these are all paninis with the
We'd be
stickers?
rich.
Oh, well then cool.
They're called base commons though. But, oh look, that's a, there's some cards like a Mike Trout rookie cards like 30 grand. Maybe. I think something like that. Don't quote me.
We should check what else is in here before we leave.
Nice. These are just good cards. They're like the good players from each year. It's not the best. More valuable. Raleigh Fingers, Vita Blue. These are all the cards I couldn't get when I was a kid. Always had the crap cards. Every now and then I get one of these random good ones. Ryan Sam. This is nice. I'm very excited by this. And there's another box similar to that underneath. Do we want to see?
We can continue when we get home.
See if it's...
Okay. Oops.
Oh my. This is what I do all the time. That one and that one home. More cards. Empty box though. We have more boxes. Love it when I see this. You don't even know. Look at this. Rookie cards. This is a good collection. Kobe. 2002, 2003. Look at all those.
Nice.
Oh my God. This is incredible. I think this is incredible. We gotta take that home. Oh.
Well, what is it? You don't curse like that.
I know. We'll
ever.
bleep that out. But I just like seeing this. This card collection has me inspired. Usually it's like, it starts off slow and you find a good card. I've seen a lot of good cards, so everything has potential to me. Cool.
Nice.
This has to go home too.
I think it's a Napoleon Dynamite shirt.
Vote for Pedro. This unit's got me out of my mind.
Wait, they had the glasses too. There's your Halloween costume.
Not funny or cute. Yeah, this looks really regular, huh?
We can put that in a costume lot though. We don't, yeah, we'll deal with that another day. Let's look through some of the other ones. Some don't have labels.
I don't know what they are.
I know, we gotta take them down and open them.
Do you really want me to keep going?
Yeah.
You can turn the camera off.
How? Just the power button on the side?
Our camera battery's dying, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this off, and I just wanna make sure there's no more card boxes before I leave. I'm not gonna go through this. We'll save that. I'll open them up, but I won't go through them. We'll film this later, but I just wanna get the cards out right now. All right, so basically I went through real quick because I want to go look at the other unit I got, and I opened the boxes. There's some cool looking things. It didn't look like cards. I just moved it. I pulled everything aside. That was it on the cards. We got 4 amazing boxes. I think there's a lot of money in this collection that hasn't been touched in a long time. We will go through this later.